Hey there, homeowners. Today, I'm here to help you keep your R-32 PTAC unit running smoothly with some essential maintenance and troubleshooting tips. Regular upkeep is key to ensuring your unit operates efficiently and lasts longer. Let's dive in. First off, routine maintenance. Clean or replace your air filters every 60 days. Clogged filters restrict airflow and reduce efficiency. Next, inspect the coils and fins. Use a soft brush or vacuum to clear away dust and debris from the evaporator and condenser coils. Don't forget to check the drainage system. Ensure the drain pan and line are free from blockages to prevent water damage and mold growth. And lastly, tighten those electrical connections. Loose wiring can cause malfunctions and inefficiencies, so inspect those components periodically. Now let's talk troubleshooting common issues. If your unit isn't cooling efficiently, check the thermostat settings. Ensure they're properly configured. Inspect refrigerant levels. Low refrigerant can affect cooling performance. And make sure there's proper airflow by cleaning those filters and coils. Strange noises, rattling sounds might mean loose components or debris inside the unit. Hissing noises could indicate a refrigerant leak. Clicking or buzzing might be electrical issues. Experiencing water leaks? Check if the drain line is clogged or improperly positioned. Ensure the unit is level. Improper leveling can cause drainage problems, and inspect the condensate pan for cracks or overflowing. Unit won't power on? Verify the power supply by checking the circuit breaker and power outlet. Inspect the control board for any loose or damaged wiring and test the thermostat to make sure it's functioning correctly. By following these maintenance and troubleshooting steps, you can keep your R-32 PTAC unit running efficiently and avoid costly repairs. Regular upkeep ensures a comfortable indoor climate and extends the lifespan of your unit. If issues persist, don't hesitate to consult a professional HVAC technician. Thanks for watching and take care.